So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. Let's start with the Bitcoin price. So you can see here the Bitcoin price, yeah. Many of you think, okay, the price of Bitcoin will go really hard to the upside, but in real, I think we will get here a horrible crash to the downside, yeah. So let's look here and try to understand here the structure. So we have here a resistance that is clear. We're staying exactly on this place, yeah. And now the question, will the Bitcoin price test this area again, 25? So in my eyes, this is not possible because we lose a lot of time here at these levels. So I expect mid of November a hard crash. Yeah, so here mid of. So we need, or how can I say, we have only time now, nearly 14 days. Let's look. You can see we're staying exactly here. The next point is this. So if we can break here 20,000, then we are here at 22,000. Yeah. So now let's look and analyze this structure in detail. Let's look if we can find something. Yeah. Let's look also here to this. So in my eyes, if I look to this structure, then I would say that we have here not so much energy to the upside. Yeah, I want to look this very detailed to understand the structure. Let me look and give me a little bit time. Yeah, so if I look to this, then I see really not the information that the price should now go really to the upside. Give me a little time to analyze this. So we have this structure here. It's a very interesting structure. Now I understand this, okay? Give me a little time again. It is manipulated, yes. It is a very manipulated chart. Okay, I understand this. So we're starting from this point. Okay, this is also clear. So, okay, so we have the situation. If you look to this area very careful, yeah, then you can see that we broke here the structure here exactly. Yeah. So the next retest, we broke also here. The next retest is like this, to go here to the upside. Yeah. And then it's finished because we have here an inverse left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. And then next move is this. So if we're coming back to these levels, yeah, then please look to the timeline. We have 3 of November. Then it would be make sense, look here, to retest again. Yeah, do you see this? So I think we have to break first this structure to the downside, yeah, and then the second structure here, so that we can say, okay, we broke here both structures, and our neckline to the downside is this. So it makes sense, yeah, to come to these levels, come here to the downside, make also a retest from this level here, yeah, and say, okay, we want to make a test of this, and you can see also here we're forming not a good structure, so that we coming here to the downside. Yeah. So in general, we can say we have a really bad structure at the Bitcoin price, and we have so negative formations here, so that or patterns, so that we can say, okay, here's something big is coming to the downside. Yeah. So let me look here. So I calculate with this formation, maybe this, yeah, and then it's finished. So this is a weak structure, this is a weak structure, this is a weak structure, this is also a weak structure. So uh, I'm honest to you, I see here not a good structure. Let's look more inside to especially these levels. Yeah. So we're looking here to this. And if I look to this, I see also negativity. Yeah. So especially this area is also negative. So you can see I try to find a um, good informations in the chart but I not see this. Yeah. Let me look. This formation make absolute sense. Yeah. The price is rising here, make here his low. Yeah. Again, and absolute not positive. Yeah, especially if you look the last part here, highly negative. Yeah, you can see they manipulate this is absolute negative. They manipulate the chart, and I think Monday, this is tomorrow, a really hard drop can we can expect. So even this is not possible. I think they can stretch this to 25,000, but even in my eyes, this is yeah not possible. Yeah. So what? Yeah, if they stretch this, okay, but we have here more down risk than uptrend risk that the price is pumped really to 25,000 or something like that. Yeah, so I think we are in a really danger area, and it seems the price will break down, and we will get a historical crash that the people not see um, before. Yeah, so I think 2018 was near, but I think this time the price will really crash to the downside. Have a nice day.